All right, this is the IntelliCharge 360 watt battery charger power supply. We can see here, this is the one with the digital display option, and so I can have a view of my load and whatever it is that I need to be doing with the power supply. As I get up to the distribution panel, I'm connected to the B side on this dual distribution panel. I can cycle through on the display and I can see the status of every one of my breaker positions. My A bus is disabled as I don't have any breakers actually installed in it or any power to it, and you can see that it says it's disabled. All of this, of course, is available in the GUI as well and on SNMP. I can turn breakers on or off as I need to, so I can provision my breakers, and then as I provision the equipment, then of course I can turn them on. And you can see in the back here on the chassis itself the connections that the breakers take to make the circuit. Very tight. Once they're in, they're very difficult to remove. On top of this, I have a Pro Series power supply. So if I needed more than 360 watts, I would take and use a Pro Series power supply into my breaker panel and be able to provide the power it is that I need. One last thing that I've got here, in a site that is predominantly DC, maybe perhaps I need if I have battery backup, when the mains are down, maybe I need a AC inverter to run some test gear or lights or any other thing. And I can take and use a 300 watt or inverter and of course, power it off of the 48 volts, and give myself 300 watts of AC power that I can, run my computers with, or my test gear, or a small light, or whatever it is that I need to when the main AC is down. Very flexible.